Good afternoon everyone. So today's video I'm putting up for sale my second Echo 302 as well. If you've seen on eBay, I've already got my one of my 302s for sale. So this is my second one, which is in even nicer condition than the other one. And I cut with this saw. So it's the difference between this one and the other one is it has the original serial number on the side. There's no breaks on any of the housings, original stickers are present, brand new pull cord, and other than that, absolutely identical. So exactly the same model. Bar might be tiny bit better condition. Both again the same as a 14-inch bar. So I'm going to show it cutting, show it starting. It cuts beautifully and idles really well. And I guess the video was prompted by somebody that's messaged me and said that the smaller saws, can they really cut the bigger wood? So I've got some 15-inch timber here and I'll show you what it cuts like. I think they're amazing saws, absolutely amazing. Made from 1972 and 30 cc's, all magnesium alloy. Just a beautiful saw to run. Same as the other, both top fill, chain oil, fuel mix, adjustable oil flow, kill switch. Love the throttle lock as well on the Kia. It's the Echo. You just twist it and it locks. Okay guys, hope that does it some type of justice. Cuts really well for a very small saw. They're just over 9 pounds, between 9 and 10 pounds in weight, and they're just a beautifully made saw. Okay, well, I'll show it on a restart, and that's going up for spares or repair on eBay. So kill switch, love that throttle lock, and then okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope that's in shot and I hope it does it some type of justice. Beautiful little Kia, it's Echo 302 Japanese chainsaw. Any questions, please just ask. Anybody wants to come out and try it, you're more than welcome. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.